Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a Jeep Commander. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new replacement bulb. Make sure you have the correct bulb type for your vehicle model. Always park your Jeep on a flat, stable surface and turn off the engine before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and makes the process much smoother. Now, open the hood of your Jeep Commander. You will see the headlight assembly on the front of the vehicle. Look for any retaining clips or screws that hold the assembly in place. These usually need to be removed with a screwdriver. Once these fasteners are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out, giving you access to the back of the bulb. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing a tab and pulling it off. Next, remove the old bulb. This usually involves a quarter turn counterclockwise or releasing a small retaining clip. Take out the old bulb and dispose of it properly. When inserting the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Align it correctly and secure it. Once the new bulb is in place, carefully reattach the electrical connector. Then, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its housing, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This quick check saves you from having to reopen everything later. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.